ADP and Paychex are both well-established brands within the cloud-based payroll and human resources space. Both provide basic payroll and tax filing services, compliance expertise, 24/7 customer support, and an all-in-one platform option that includes advanced HR management tools and services. This comparison will examine Paychex Flex and ADP Run, two small business-focused payroll software offerings. However, ADP Run is not the only payroll software offered by ADP. Roll by ADP is another ADP payroll service designed for on-the-go small business owners wanting payroll software they can run from their mobile device. In this video, I'll provide an in-depth look at each software service, including a comparison of features, pricing, available support, and customer reviews to help you decide on the best fit for your business needs. Overall, ADP Run offers more robust features and HR support than Paychex Flex, though Paychex is still a worthy competitor. The provider works with businesses to build a budget-conscious and tailored plan that's best for an organization's current payroll needs and provides access to advanced tool options later as required. Neither ADP Run nor Paychex offer transparent pricing. While Paychex's lowest tier plan starts at $39 per month plus $5 per employee, its mid-tier and highest tier plans require a custom quote. Paychex also requires many features to be accessed as add-ons. For example, in its introductory plan, job posting, benefits administration, and many new hire tools are only available as add-ons. The prices for these add-ons are not specified, making it difficult to determine how much its introductory plan will be once final pricing details are revealed. ADP Run offers no pricing details on its website, but does provide more plan options than Paychex. While Paychex lists 3 plans on its website, ADP Run offers 4 available plans for small to mid-sized companies, as well as a plan specifically for one-employee companies and a contractor-only plan. As such, ADP Run likely offers more plan options for different budgets. Despite this analysis, Paychex does stand out with one pricing feature. It offers a generous 6-month free trial, while ADP Run offers a still generous 3-month free trial. So, if you're looking to get your payroll started for free and avoid expenses for as long as you can, Paychex is the better option here. While Paychex offers standard payroll processing tools small businesses need, including the ability to process payroll via direct deposit or pay cards and calculate, deduct, and pay employee garnishments and tip wages, ADP Run offers the better set of payroll tools and features. ADP Run offers a truly personalized experience for employers running payroll. Employers can customize their payroll dashboard, including priority to-do lists, payroll history, and step-by-step screens for guided payroll processing. Employers can also automate payroll processing or run it through the provider's app, over the phone, and online. Payroll distributions can be made via direct deposit, an ADP debit card, or digital or paper check. Paper checks are delivered from ADP to employers for distribution directly to employees while at work. There are some unique perks to using ADP Run's Wisely Direct debit card to pay your employees. The account can be used to receive early direct deposits, as well as income from other sources. You can use the Wisely debit card account to shop and pay bills, easily track balances, and manage money while enjoying account protection. The Wisely card is compatible with Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. While both ADP Run and Paychex offer automated tax calculations, filing, and deposits, ADP Run offers more perks to make the entire tax filing process stress-free. Namely, if you receive a penalty or fine for inaccurate tax filing or payment deposits, ADP responds to tax agencies on your behalf and pays fines for any errors the system makes. It further prevents mistakes by leaning on artificial intelligence to detect errors and alert you to them. Finally, it automatically updates its system with changing federal and state tax laws across all 50 US states. ADP Run's top-tier plans include robust HR options that exceed Paychex Flex's options even when considering add-ons. ADP Run includes new hire onboarding, recruiting, salary benchmarking, and background screening across all plans. As you invest in its higher tier plans, you'll access more HR tools. For instance, its second tier, Enhanced plan gives employers access to job postings on ZipRecruiter. And as you upgrade to its top tier plans, Complete and HR Pro, you gain access to an applicant tracking system and an HR help desk with a library of forms, compliance tools, and training kits, such as labor law posters and sexual harassment prevention training. On the other hand, Paychex provides a digital employee onboarding system and access to a human resources document library with each of its 3 plans. Paychex's HR library offers hundreds of downloadable HR forms and tools, such as job description builders and salary benchmarking tools. However, the more comprehensive tools are all offered as add-ons and not included with even its premium plans. These upgrade options include features such as employee pre-screening, recruiting, and applicant tracking and performance management. Both ADP Run and Paychex offer employee handbook builders, employee onboarding tools, a self-serve employee portal, benefits administration tools and plans, and customizable tools for processing payroll based on employee preferences. However, when it comes to starting employees out on the right foot and providing support, Paychex has a slight edge over ADP Run. It offers slightly more tools and programs to make work more enjoyable and worthwhile. While Paychex does not provide employee discounts with nationally recognized brands and local retailers like ADP Run, but it does provide tools and education to help employees reach their financial goals. These include employee financial wellness and cash flow assistance programs like short-term loans. In addition, Paychex offers an e-learning system to promote career growth through online courses that keep employees engaged with their roles. While both offer access to a fair amount of third-party software integrations, Paychex shines in this area, offering an extensive and ever-growing application programming interface library. Paychex integrates with over 100 leading software solutions for HR, payroll reporting, benefits administration, recruiting, time and attendance, accounting, hiring, onboarding, and much more. Examples include Bamboo HR, QuickBooks Online, Xero, Eatna, Indeed, Nationwide, and Simply Hired. Additional costs may apply depending on the type of integration chosen. ADP Run offers about 650 integrations to help you manage employee benefits and compensation, time and labor, employee learning programs, financial wellness, employee performance, expenses, recruiting and onboarding, compliance, and employee rewards and recognition. Integrations include Intuit QuickBooks, Home-Based Time Clock, and Scheduling and Applicant Pro. Customer ratings are mainly positive for ADP Run. On Trustradius, it earned 8.3 out of 10 stars based on 542 user reviews, while Paychex Flex has 6.7 out of 10 stars and 492 reviews. On Capterra, the story is similar. ADP Run earns a slightly higher rating of 4.5 out of 5 compared to Paychex Flex's 4.1 out of 5 stars. The main complaints from ADP Run customers are that the software can be cumbersome and its customer service response time is slow, whereas Paychex complaints focus on technical issues and glitches. Positive reviews praise ADP Run for its value, noting that it's good for the price and that it meets the expectations set by ADP's sales and marketing teams. Run is an unparalleled choice for payroll processing, error-free and easy to use. We have tried other services and none can compare, said Kathy Davis, owner Fremont Rubber Stamp Co., Inc. Paychex Flex reviews praise it for being user-friendly and having an intuitive interface, good customer service, and knowledgeable account executives. We started using Paychex Flex in 2017 at the request of our accountant, said Sandy Jenkins, CFO of Ag Protective Services, LLC Security and Investigation. I hesitated as I had always done payroll myself through our business accounting software. However, I found Paychex Flex so easy to use that I can't see myself doing payroll any other way. I have had other companies try to get me to make a change, and I do not see any reason to leave Paychex Flex. It is user-friendly, has great reports, and whenever I need assistance, they are always there to help. It's easy to see why ADP and Paychex have been successful for so long. They're both well-established brands with a huge amount of experience in providing payroll services to a wide range of customers. ADP is one of the largest payroll service providers in the world, and its small business solution run is a natural extension of the service it provides to medium and large businesses and Fortune 500 companies. Its service could be right for your business if you want a customizable payroll service platform with one-on-one guidance from a customer service representative. It's also a good fit for a small business that expects to grow because it'll be easy to migrate to ADP enterprise platforms if your company grows above 50 employees. However, if you're looking for a payroll solution for your SMBS that offers top-notch customer support and plenty of add-on features, look no further than Paychex. For an organization that has been around since 1971 offering payroll services to more than 730,000 businesses across the US and Northern Europe, Paychex has proven to be a suitable choice for smaller firms in search of an economical payroll solution. Alright, so I believe that's enough for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.